Every successful company thrives on having the right people in the right roles. People who don't just work but contribute to the company's growth and innovation. That's where I came in. I'm here to offer not just the skills but a real result that can help your companies succeed and stay ahead in today's competitive market. Through my study in human resource management at Negros Oriental State University, I've gained a wide range of skills that can bring value to your company. In project management, I've learned to plan, organize, and execute projects with efficiency and precision. I'm trained to manage timelines, brainstorm innovative solutions, and lead teams to meet goals under pressure. For example, in one of our projects, I lead a team to develop a solution to logistical challenge, and we successfully delivered results ahead of schedule and within budget. Entrepreneurship has also a big part of my training. I've gained a hands on experience in marketing, negotiation, and cost analysis, which taught me how to identify opportunities, solve problems, and drive growth. These skills are not just theoretical. I've been applied them to real world situations. I know how to adapt them to meet the business goals. In human resource management and global international trade, we took things further by exploring trends and global perspective. We organized seminars on theme The Future of Leadership, Trends, Challenges, and Opportunities with a focus on adaptive leadership, an essential quality for thriving in today's dynamic work environments. Additionally, in global international trade, we explore international trade and innovation, driving economic growth through collaboration. That is the theme of our seminar. This experience taught me the importance of staying ahead of trends, fostering innovation, and leveraging global connection to create value. On top of that, I've been developed expertise in event facilitation through our SMP program. Whether it's a corporate gathering or a national event, I excel at planning, communication, and managing every detail to create a seamless experience. I understand the importance of flawless execution and how it's reflect on a company's brand. What's make me stand out is my versatility. I'm not afraid to roll up my sleeves and take on hands-on tasks when needed. For example, in one of our projects, stepped into rules like construction work to ensure that every aspect of the project meet our standard. But I also bring leadership skills to the table. I can manage and inspire teams to stay focused and aligned with the company's vision. I have strong communication skills, a result driven mindset, and, and the ability to adapt quickly to new challenges. Another unique strength I offer is my ability to think critically and strategically. I'm always looking for ways to optimize processes, save costs, and create innovative solutions. I don't just aim to meet expectations, I strive to exceed them. I understand that companies are looking for people who can contribute to their success from day one. My combination of skills, ability, adaptability, and drive aligns perfectly with what any forward thinking organization needs. Whether it's improving internal processes, delivering excellent results on key projects, or fostering a positive and efficient work environment, I'm ready to step in and make difference. I believe I can bring value to your company by contributing to its growth, efficiency, and innovation. My background in adaptive leadership, Global trade and collaborative innovation equips me to address complex, complex challenges with fresh perspectives. If you are looking for someone who's resourceful, innovative, and result driven, I'm ready to bring my skills, experience, and passion to your team. Thank you for your time, and I'm excited about the possibility of working together to achieve great results.